Thank you, Mr. Jeremy Sobolino. Mr. Jeremy is the champion of J-Pop 2012. We would like to acknowledge the presence of Mr. Faisal Tasdid, the project director, Mr. Musa, the chief pharmacist of Minister of Interior. Thank you. Mr. Ayed, materials in charge of MOI. Thank you for being here. Mr. Badr Al-Sharani, Health Inspector, CHS Jeddah. Thank you. And acknowledge your presence here. And thank you. As we bid goodbye, please be reminded that farewells are not forever, nor they are the end. There are certain words to say that we miss them dearly, and we will remember them fondly. I would like to call in Mr. Faisal Ahmed, to share some words to our departing colleagues. If you want to reminisce the past, sorry, and the next inspirational talk to our colleagues here.
Good evening, worker. Good evening, Assalamu alaikum. I'm happy to be with my staff, or with my partner, friends, with my family. And really, there's something really meaning that we are going to some of our partners. But we wish good life for them in their lives. We like everybody to enjoy our party. And we hope every year, inshallah, or soon as possible to have another party for us as a one house. Thank you.
Thank you for the very inspiring word. We are one family. That is the very inspiring word. So sabi kanina, as he said, AFI is a one big family. Thank you. We also hear a word from Mr. Busa. Would you like to wish for the party colleague? Where is Mr. Busa? Mr. Busa. A word of peace to our party colleague.
مساكم الخير وارحب بكم هذه الجامعه وادعو اصحابي اللي مسافرين مع خروج ان شاء الله نشوفكم على
Thank you. And I know that they understand what he said because they're working with him for quite long year, I believe. And I believe if they are in the same room, they are always talking in Arabic and they understand each other clearly. Ako po kasi I don't understand Arabic. Suwaya pas. Yun lang po. I know all is suwaya. Assalamualaikum and bye-bye. Okay? And besides of course to call Mr. Ramil to wish for our party colleagues.
Just want to tell something of you. Actually, some of the staff are not present as of now. So, aside from Harshing and well experienced, stressful day every day, especially for our medical secretary. Okay, really going to meeting everything because we might lose our vacation once there will be an extra COVID in this place. For Mrs. Elaine, okay, I know that it's only just a few patients that we are being together with exposure when it comes to the work of the hospital. But still, we're very thankful perhaps to see that we have given everything part of the MI and also all the staff actually hopefully that this kind of this decision that you have done, both of you, wish you everything and good luck. Okay, I know that there will be a special one being birth in due time. I think that will be the spirit of the MI these days. Okay. And for Mark Lopez, okay, Mark Lopez is he was before a church nurse, okay, in OPD, and eventually was transferred in Prague. Actually, we miss them all. Not only Mr. Mark, from day-to-day work, working with Dr. Rao, okay, for all the things, okay, and I know it's very difficult, okay, but still he succeeds in everyday work with him. And not only that one, the contribution is the OPD and really monitoring the OPD. It's really a big help and really it's very hard really for me and on behalf of the head of the nursing department, okay, for all of us, okay, that we're going to miss you one by one, especially with the special talents, okay, like you. or Mr. Granji, also once become a church nurse, very busy guy who is working in three department, okay, with the law firm. Okay, I know that you have learned so much, okay. We have learned also so much from you, okay. All your suggestion, everything, family, okay, presence, being captain of the basketball, also one of the kind of the spirit of the guys, okay. Going to miss you everybody, but we are hoping that you will return in Amen. Inshallah, after 1 year, but I know it's very difficult, okay, to decide. Still, it's a very short stay, 4 years, but I think we've learned so much. So really, you have the CSA department. Really congratulate all of you for the job well done, okay, for the contribution of the CSA in Jeddah. Once become the #1 in the hospital for all CSA staff. So that's all. Thank you. Can I call my colleagues?
Everybody knows it's my son.
Yes! Yes! My son! Papa! Papa!
He's going to be a grandfather for him.
Yes! Grandfather!
Really, it's very hard to be all about stuff, but be sure I'm trying to keep Rex. I'm trying, I'm fighting to keep him. And in person, I want him to green shot for the new contract. But through his wife, thank you very much. Father, really this guy, the thing that you do know, is about 3 years, it's complete 4 years, he's helping my father. And I would like to thank you for you. Thank you very much. Okay? Sorry.
Can I call the presence of Mr. Rolando Bacani to say something about this?
I would like to, first and foremost, I would like to thank all my colleagues who are ending their contract this year. I have been with you, we have been with you for most of the years that we've been together. Through the hardships, I know that we have been misunderstandings, but at the end of the day, we have got it. So, for all of you, I congratulate each and every one, from Rex to Elaine, to Mark, to Granji, and to all the other guys who are having their contract this year. I'm proud to say that it's a great privilege working with you guys. I hope that someday or sometime we'll be working together again for the betterment of our profession and for the healthcare. And just always remember to pray. God is with us every time. Thank you.
Thank you. And let us hear a word of advice from Frederick Oliver.
Good evening to all of you.
Hindi niya maano dito.
All the,
Doon yata.
my colleagues who will going to depart here in Saudi Arabia to journey a new journey. So, as your infection control nurse, so don't forget always patient safety. So, okay. So, I pray for all of you that you will be going to have a nice day in the Philippines. And also, I hope you're going to find what you want and achieve your goals. So thank you very much for all your service, and don't forget hand hygiene.
Thank you. Thank you. And I believe for the sake of those who don't know this departing colleagues, may I request any of their friends to introduce them? Who are they? On their work or in personal life? Let me start with the friends of Miss Elaine. Mrs. Elaine. Sino po dito ang friend ni Mrs. Elaine? Who is here? Nelia! Miss Nelia, would you please come here? Madam Nelia, will you please tell us, who is Elaine?
First of all, good evening to everyone. Miss Elaine is working with us for 4 years already. And as a considered Elaine, she's already a competent nurse for having an experience in ICU in the Philippines. She also can easily follow rules with in our hospitals, and she's also a happy person, jolly person.
What about she as your friend? Character, those who are things which we don't know yet about him. About her.
Okay, based on her character, she's a kind. You can easily get an advice to her. Even though she's younger than me, you can also take an advice to me. She can give you a good advice.
Thank you. We came to know Elaine for a very few minutes. And back on now the friends of Mark Lopez, who is here, the close friend of Mark Lopez. Melchor. Where is Melchor? Melchor? Para tumatawag na sa kanya. Melchor!